Sit up straight. You're leaning back. Suck your belly into your back. Get your teacup down. There you go. Better. Much better. Pull your heel back a little bit. Toe up, toe in. Sit back on your butt. Ask him to trot. Teacups up high again. Good. Good. Keep your hand down. Sit up straight. Keep your chin up. Don't let him do that. Drop your hand. There you go. Better. You're coming right at me though. Don't run me over. Get him over there on the edge. Get your hand down. Toe up. Sit up straight. Get him into a trot. Keep him over. Kick him with that outside leg, not the inside one. There you go. Drop that hand. There. Keep him moving. Get after him.